Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Liz and today we are going to be using the brand new White Peach Too Faced palette. Yay! I'm super excited to show you guys how I got this look. This palette is incredibly beautiful. It has 12 different shades. Some are matte, some are shimmers. Comes with a beautiful mirror. So we are going to jump straight in the tutorial to see if this palette lives up to its sister, the Just Peachy Matte palette. We'll see if all the hype is real, if this palette compares to the other one, and we're going to check out how I got this look. So if you'd like to see all of that and some swatches, keep on watching. It retails for $45, which is the same price as its sister palette, the Just Peachy Matte palette. Both palettes look almost exactly the same besides the shade range. They both come with a pretty large mirror. They both come with 12 shades. This palette is all mattes, which is the Just Peachy Matte palette, and this palette has a combination of matte and shimmers. Both palettes are equally beautiful. Both palettes each $45. Here are the swatches from the White Peach palette. Starting from the top, the first swatch is Sweet Fig, then Peach Sorbet, Fuzzy, Peach Cream, Peaches and Dream, Peach Smoothie, Glistening Peach, Cream de la Peach, Peach Ice, and the last color is Peach Passion. You guys can get the White Peach palette at Sephora.com and TooFaced.com. So today we're going to see if the brand new White Peach palette lives up to the hype of the Just Peachy Matte palette. So to start off, I'm going to show you the outside of the package. It looks exactly like the Just Peachy Matte palette. It has a little clasp with the little peaches. You open it up, and this is the inside. It comes with a good sized mirror. And then we have a bunch of shades here, and they're very light, very peach tone, peaches, pinks. We have this beautiful Peach Passion down here, which is a sparkly purple. We have the black. We have a bunch of mattes, a bunch of shimmers. It's absolutely beautiful. Here is the old Just Peachy Mattes in comparison to the new one. I'll open up the inside so you guys can see the old one. Same clasp. Same mirror, different gorgeous shades on the inside, of course, but peach themed like always. So today I'm going to be using the Peach Passion color, which is this beautiful purple, and incorporate a couple of other colors in there. So let's jump on in. I'm going to take my MAC 224 brush, and I'm going to go into Peach Cream, which is this color right here in the upper corner. And I'm going to put this all over my lid, just as a base, and I did already prep and prime my I did already prep and prime my eyeshadows with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance, and so far this is actually really pigmented. Oh wow, I'm really shocked. Holy crap. This is my first time using the palette, so we're going to be exploring it together, seeing if the colors are pigmented, if there's a lot of fallout. There's a little bit of fallout right here, but it's not too bad. We're just going to blow it away. We're going to do the same thing to the other eye. And this color is Peach Cream. And we're going to be putting this color all over the lid just as a nice transition shade. So now I'm going to go in with my Morphe brush, my M513. We're going to go in with Peach Smoothie, this color right here, and we're going to put this color in our crease. I'm just tapping it lightly. There is a little bit of fallout. As long as they're pigmented, that doesn't bother me. We can just brush it away. Alright, we're going to put this right in our crease. And this color is just a really nice light transition shade. And I'm going to be bringing it up somewhat high. And I'm feeling like this color you really have to build up. It's not too bad, but you do have to put a couple coats on to build up that color. So far, I'm liking the shade. And it is building up pretty fast. And let's put the Peach Smoothie color on the other eye in the crease. And we're going to do the same thing, building it up. And so far there is a little bit of fallout. It's kind of falling all over the pan. And I do want to show you the fallout on the pan, so I dipped into this maybe about 10 times just very lightly, and this is the amount of fallout here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's not too bad. There doesn't seem to be any fallout under my eyes, so I'd rather have it in the eyeshadow pan than on my eyes, definitely. So this color built up pretty nicely. I'm going to be using the ColourPop E9 brush, and I'm going to be going in with Sweet Fig, which is this purplish brown color, and just tapping it very lightly. And as you can see, there's not much fallout. So I'm going to go a little lower in the crease with this shade. Just with a very light hand. And this color is definitely pretty pigmented. But I am using a very light hand because I still want to see that pink underneath. This is really pretty. Wow. And we're going to do the same thing to the other eye. So we're going to take the Sweet Fig and we're going to go in low in the crease. I really like these two colors together. Then we're going to take our MAC 224, and without any other product on the brush, we're going to go over both colors just to blend them out so they're seamless and perfect. Next, I'm going to be taking my MAC 213 brush, which is a little shader brush, and I'm going to be going into Peach Passion, which is this beautiful purpley blue sparkly color. It is, in my opinion, the most beautiful color in the palette, and I'm going to be taking that on my brush. I'm not going to spray it. I'm not going to spray it with any Fix Plus today because I want to see how it performs without it. And then if I feel like I need to, I'm going to go back in with Fix Plus. So let's see how this baby works. Did you guys just hear the angels sing too? This color is beautiful. Oh wow. So I am going to spray it just because I want it to really glide over the skin, and it's kind of pulling right now. I'm going to spray it with my MAC Fix Plus, and I'm going to go over. Oh my god, that intensifies it even more. This color is beautiful. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. I actually might have to go in with an even smaller brush to get into that crease line. So I'm going to go in with my MAC 228, which is a very small eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to dip into the Peach Passion. And as you can see, there's not a lot of fallout in this color either, which is great. And so far, no fallout on my eyes at all, which I'm very shocked. I'm going to spray my MAC Fix Plus. And then we're going to go into that crease. This is by far one of the prettiest purpley blues I've ever seen. That's a dark color. Because I love those duochromes. I love them. I love them. And we're going to do the same thing to the other eye. Now that I'm done with my lid shade, I'm going to go back in with my ColourPop E9 brush that had that purple Sweet Fig color. And I'm just going to see if I can blend out the crease a little bit. See if it blends so it's not a harsh line. And we're going to do the same thing to the other eye. And And I'm just gonna add a little bit of the Peach Smoothie, the pink, back on top, just to bring it up a little higher. This color seems to fade a lot, so you really have to keep applying it. And this one seems to have a lot of fallout. Oh, now we're getting some fallout on our eyes. It's not too bad, but so we did pretty good with the blue with no fallout, which is unusual because dark colors tend to have a lot of fallout. And then I'm just gonna go back in with my finger with the Peach Passion, and I just wanna put that color back on there so it's really nice and bright. Then I'm gonna take a clean MAC 228 brush. I'm going to go into Peach Ice, which is this beautiful shimmery color. And I'm not gonna use any Fix Plus at first. I'm gonna dip into that. So far, there's barely any fallout right here. And we're gonna just put it right in the middle of our inner corner. Oh my God, this is beautiful. And this is with no Fix Plus. Holy crap. Holy crap. Wow. Wow. Then I think I'm just gonna take the Peach Ice color and I'm gonna go under my brow bone. And this color actually has a lot of shimmer in it too, so it's kind of glittery. And I'm gonna spray this with Fix Plus for under my brow bone. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. Spray it with the Fix Plus. So far, I'm really liking this palette. These colors are beautiful. I just swiped my brush in glistening peach. Look at this right here. No! I gotta rub it out. Rub one out, girl, don't be shy. Do you guys remember that? I think it was a show on MTV with all the guys in like the fake boy band, and they used to sing songs. Rub one out, girl, don't be shy. I used to watch that show. Then I'm gonna take my MAC 213 brush and I'm gonna go in with a Sweet Fig for my lower lash line. And I'm gonna add a little bit of the Peach Smoothie as well. And I promise I'm not flipping you guys off. Peach Smoothie. Just to lighten it up a little bit. Just a little bit. Now that we're done with our eyeshadow, we're going to take the Too Faced I Want Kandee eyeliner. And we're going to put this baby all over the lash line. Now that I'm done with the upper lash line, I'm going to be taking my favorite Marc Jacobs Highliner in black. And I'm going to be putting it in my waterline. I'm going to be putting on the Tarte Center of Attention eyelashes. I'm going to put it on off camera and I will be right back for my final thoughts and review. I'm going to be going in with my Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in Queen Bee. And I chose this one because it has a purplish blue undertone to match that transition color. this is the final look. Okay guys, so that completes the look for today using the Too Faced White Peach palette. So my thoughts on this palette. I am pretty damn impressed. I really liked the color layout. I thought they were pretty damn pigmented. I love this lid color. I love Sweet Fig. Peach Smoothie was okay. You had to build up the color a little bit more than some of the other colors. I didn't use the other colors in the palette, but first impressions, I think they'll be pretty good. I loved the peach ice color, which is this beautiful shimmer in the inner corner. I love the purple peach passion color, which is the lid. I'm in love with the Sweet Fig, which is the crease color. I'm very, very happy with this look. I love the way that it turned out. I think it's a great first impression. I think these colors are absolutely beautiful. I thought this peach cream color was very pigmented for a cream slash white color. I think it's really good. I loved the colors on the swatches. Overall, there wasn't a lot of fallout on my face, which I was very surprised at because they are sort of a powdery matte. They are very soft. If you look at these colors, some of them that I didn't use. They're pretty damn pigmented. They look great. I'll insert swatches again right here. If you guys have the Just Peachy Mattes palette, I think you guys will be very, very happy with its sister. I highly recommend this palette. I think it's definitely worth the money. I think you'll be very, very happy with the colors. I thought they were absolutely gorgeous. It retails for $45, which is the same price as its sister palette, the Just Peachy Mattes palette. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video and the look that I've created, then please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell to get notified every single time I upload a new video on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!